Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this 7-piece dice set. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. All right, so as you can see, it comes with this really nice case, guys. It keeps things super organized. Has this nice little window that you can see the dice through. When you open this up, it's really amazing what these dice look like, guys. There's 7 of them. We'll go through each one and show you what it looks like. Guys, this is a 12-sided dice, and it's so hard to really get the camera to do this justice. It is so much shinier and so much awesomer than these actually look on camera. Here's an 8-sided dice. Here's a pyramid. Here's another 8-sided dice. This one's more in the shape of a diamond. It just looks so cool. There's another diamond-shaped dice, but this one goes up to 90. This right here is just the classic 6-sided dice. Here's my favorite one, and if you play Dungeons and Dragons at all, you'll know this one. This is the 20-sided die. And guys, just look at the colors inside of each of these. Each of the colors in these are just so awesome. They're so shiny. They're so intricate. I just really like the feel. They kind of give off like the neon lights type of a feeling when you see them underneath the light, especially if it's nice lighting. As each of these pieces is made of really high quality materials, and as you can see, all of them just have that really nice shiny material on the inside of them. It looks great. You show up to a party, you show up to a game night with these, and you just look like you know what you're doing, because everyone else just shows up with, you know, the normal dice, and you come prepared with these special looking awesome ones. And everyone thinks you're a pro, even if you're not, guys. I just really like these dice. They've been really fun. They look amazing. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.